Hi kids, welcome to My Toons with Jock. Today we're going to draw True and the Rainbow Kingdom. So follow along with me. So we're going to use our marker. Let's begin. As usual, I'm going to start with the eyes first. So I'm going to draw a beautiful big round eye like that. Yeah, that's beautiful. And then on this side, I'm going to draw another eye. So I'm going to draw another eye a bit higher like that. And then I'm going to draw the eye. So follow along with me. So we're going to draw a big round eye in there. We're going to draw a light reflection as usual. And we're going to draw a little line like so. Good. And then on this side, we're going to draw the inner eye as well, like this. A light reflection. And we're going to draw that line as well. And then we can color it in. Okay, there we go. Next up, I'm going to draw the eyelashes. I'm going to start up here and I'm just going to draw a line over like this. And on this side, you're going to do the same thing. A line, there we go. And I'm going to draw the eyelashes. So I'm going to draw one eyelash like this. I'm going to draw another eyelash and I'm going to draw a small eyelash like that. And on this side, I'm going to do the same thing. 1, 2, 3. And then I'm going to color it in. Next up, let's draw a little nose. So I'm just going to draw a round nose, just a circle like this. And that's going to be a nose. And maybe a light reflection. Or maybe a shadow, sorry, a shadow. Let's make a shadow there, yeah. That would be better. And now for a little mouth. Just this line like this. And then on the side, you're going to bring it down. Bring another one down like this. And then we're just going to draw a curve at the bottom. And now let's draw a teeth. So, another curvy line. And that would be a teeth. And then from this side, I'm going to draw 2 lines like that. And then you can color it in. And this side as well, you can color it in. And there's a little mouth. I think that looks very cute. What do you think? So, next up, the first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to start with the hair. So I'm going to do this. So you can draw something like that. And then from here, I'm going to actually start at the top, go down, just above the eyebrow, a line like that. You're with me? Great. And then from here, I'm going to draw a little line down, like so, and a smaller line like this. And I'm going to bring it up. And that's her hair. Perfect. And now for her little ear, you're going to draw a sort of a half circle, like this. And within that half circle, I want you to just make a line like that. And then we connect it. We're going to go a half circle, again a smaller one, like this. And that's her ear. Great. And now for her head, the front part of her head. So I'm just going to draw a little line like this. Good, are you with me? And I'm going to draw an eyebrow there. And I'm going to color it in. Perfect. Her other eyebrow would be just below here. I'm just going to do something like this. And there would be the other eyebrow as well. Perfect. And now we're going to draw her cheek. So I'm going to go here. I'm going to bring it out a little bit. A little roundish, like so. You see, that would be a cheek. And then from this side, I'm just going to bring a little line down, sort of a curve. And that would be her jawline. And I'm going to connect the 2 lines like this. And there's her jawline. Perfect. And now for her neck. Just below her little mouth, we can draw a neck like this. Perfect. Let's go back to the hair and let's finish it up. So I'm going to draw a little line up like so. And from here, I'm actually going to draw a line like this and just complete it like that. And then let's draw another little line, maybe like so. And there we go, we finished with that. Perfect. And now I want actually to draw the top of the head. So I'm just going to bring this all the way around like so, and I'm going to bring it down like this. Good, you're with me. And here I'm going to take this part of her hair and I'm just going to make a little curve like so. And then from here to down there I'm going to actually just draw a little line like so, and that would be her hairband. And I'm going to take this line up, connect it there, and just bring it down like that. And that would be her hairband and top. And let's draw a circle, a big circle there on top of her head, a smaller one, and again a bigger one. Good, good, are you with me? Great. And then from here I'm going to actually draw a line to connect her hair like that, and I'm going to draw a little hairband there as well, and I'm going to stop right there. And now we can actually continue with her body. So first the collar of her shirt, I'm going to just make a oval line like that, and I'm going to make another oval line like this. You with me? Great. And now I'm going to draw his shoulders. So the first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to draw a circle. Just a circle, plain circle like this. And on this side, you're going to draw a little line down like this, and you're going to make a half circle like this. Good. And now you're going to continue with the line, and you're just going to stop like this. Going to bring a line down, and we're going to bring another one up like this. Perfect. And from here, you're just going to bring it down. And there's the top of her body. And let's make a circle here in the middle, and with 3 smaller circles inside. Great, great stuff. And now from here, let's continue with the dress. So I'm going to draw a line down. I'm going to follow this curve. I'm going to draw a line down. I'm going to follow this curve back. Good, perfect. And now for her little dress. First of all, I'm going to bring a line like so. And I'm just going to make this line. You're with me? And then we're going to another curvy line like so. And from here, you're going to bring it up all the way to there. And you're going to connect it like so. And then you make another line and you follow the curve below. Follow it exactly. Great. And now wherever you see these marks, you just bring a line up, bring a line up, and bring another line up. Good. Perfect. And now I think let's continue with the shoulders. From here, I'm going to bring a line out, and I'm going to bring another line out like this. And I'm going to connect it with a curved line. On this side, I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to bring a line out, I'm going to bring another one out, and I'm going to connect it. Perfect. And then from here, I'm actually going to draw a curvy line like so. That would be her arm, and I'm going to go up. And from here, I'm going to go down, and I'm going to connect it like this. And then let's continue with her arm a little bit wider like so, and from here you're going to connect it like that. Perfect. And her hand, a curve like this, and a curve like that, and that would be her fingers as well. Perfect, perfect. And now for the other hand, I'm actually going to draw a line up like so, connect it, just make a little crease there, and from here I'm going to do the same thing, and I'm going to connect it as well. There's the other arm, and then a roundish line like so, and a little line down like that, and that would be her other hand. That's perfect. Back to her torso. She has a little a bag that she carries, and this would be the straps. There's a strap going down, and we'll draw another strap down as well. Perfect. Let's go back to her hair. Now she has 2 ponytails, so I'm going to draw a little curve like this, and from here I'm going to draw another one like so, and I'm going to just complete it like this. And on this side we're going to do the same thing, another ponytail. Good. Bring it down like so, and connect it. That's perfect. And now for her legs. So what I usually do, I try to measure where I want to start the leg. So I'll take this top and I'll bring it straight down and maybe make a mark right there. Okay. And then for this side, I'm going to do the same thing, straight down, and I'm going to make another mark there. So her legs, I'm going to draw a line down. I'm going to draw another line down here. And from here, I'm going to draw the line a little bit wider as well. And then I'm going to connect it like this. Because this leg is in front of this leg, I'm going to make it a bit longer. And I'm going to connect it like so. And what you can do actually it must be a little bit wider, I think, the leg. So I'll make it a little bit wider. Now, for her socks, I'm going to bring a line down, bring another line down. So this line is lower than that one. I'm going to bring another line down. And then I'm going to connect everything. Right back to there, right back to there. And then for her boot, make it a bit wider, line down, bring it back, bit wider, line down, a line down, and connect it. And that would be a boot. And let's go socks. Let's make the stripes on the socks. There's one stripe, and there's another stripe, and there's one stripe, and at the bottom there's another stripe. And that would be her brightly colored socks. And now for her boots, I'm going to bring a line down like so, and I'm going to bring it out a little bit like that. And then from here, I'm going to bring a line down, and I'm going to bring it out just a little bit, about the same. And then what I'm going to do, I'm going to actually bring it down a little bit lower, and then I'm going to connect it with a curvy line like this. You see? And there's a boot. And then I'm going to bring a line down, another one, and that would be the soles of a boot. And on this side, I'm just going to make a half circle. And then on this side, let's draw the boot again. You're going to bring a line down about to there. You're going to make a little line like so, make it round, and with a curvy line back. Okay, good. And then we can actually draw another line like this. And there's her other boot, and we can just make a little half circle there as well. Good. And there is our little true, and I think she looks beautiful. What do you think? What you can do now, you can take the colors, you can look at the picture. I will color in the picture and I will put it also on the video. And you can look at the colors and you can color her in those colors. And I'm sure it's going to look absolutely beautiful. Thank you for drawing with me. Please don't forget to subscribe and click the like button. If you want me to draw something, please leave a comment. Thank you very much for drawing with me, and I'll see you soon.